One of the main attractions for tourists, because it is part of the country's history, is the Magellan'S Cross. It is preserved to stand that the Philippines is a Christian country in the Southeast Asia. Cebu's Magellan'S Cross is housed in a small chapel located near the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño on Magellan'S Street, Cebu City, right in front of City Hall of Cebu.
Masalamat sa
The cross is placed in an octagonal pavilion called the kiosk. The specific spot has been constructed to commemorate the erection of the cross in Cebu by the expedition of Ferdinand Magellan. Magellan's Cross was granted a plenary indulgence for those who pray before it every feast of the triumph of the cross. You have to pray one Our Father, one Hail Mary, and one Glory be to the Father in Rome. It was granted by Bishop Santos Gomez Marañon, Bishop of Cebu in 1830 to 1840.